Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to enable screencast or mirroring in Turbo 6X Pro. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.